Welcome to this video where we will show you how to use our patent-pending SticKeys to refurbish a Dell 5420 keyboard in under a minute. This keyboard is very worn and unusable, but with SticKeys you can give it a new look and feel. First, you need to transfer the SticKeys from the sheet to the application tape. Then, you simply align the SticKeys with the original keyboard and press them down firmly with the squeegee. Next, you peel off the application tape slowly and carefully, using the squeegee to help the SticKeys stick better. Finally, you check the keyboard and admire your work. You have just refurbished a keyboard in less than a minute and turned a grade C keyboard into a grade A with no need for expensive equipment and minimal training required. You have also saved about 50 kilograms of carbon from replacing the keyboard. All our SticKeys come with a 3-year warranty from peeling or fading. Thanks for watching the video. Contact us today to find out more about SticKeys and how they can transform your refurbishment process